Today I'm going to be filming testing out some LA Colors loose shimmer highlighters. I found them today. They're new to me. I don't think they are new in the beauty world, but that's okay. I did film a look before this, so that's why I have full face on with some highlighter. If you want to check that out, it's actually me the video before this one, and the link will be down below. I did change my lip color for right now because I had a snack and then I needed to, so I got some lip gloss on. Anyways, this lip gloss is also by LA Colors, and it is the color pink. Wow, how easy. Beautiful shimmer gloss, and I love it. It smells like fruit punch as well. Oh yeah. I'm just going to take off this makeup. I'm going to reapply my foundation. I'm only going to have foundation on, and then we're going to test these highlighters. All I have right now is just my foundation and a little bit of contour, but I have absolutely no blush and no highlight. So I'm going to talk a little bit about these products. First of all, they have absolutely affordable products. Everything they have is cruelty free, which is definitely one of the most important things that I like. It's called LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer Shine Like a Star. On the back it says, get an instant glow all over your body. Shimmery loose powder is lightweight and sheer with super shiny particles to give a healthy, beautiful glow. I have 5. I saw them all today at the store, so I decided to get them all. 5. This is a good thumbnail. Let's go one by one. I have this one, which is sort of like a periwinkle blue, and it's called Pixie Dust. I have this one, it's pink, and it's called Magical Dust. There is a white shimmer one, it's called Sugar Dust. There's a purple one called Fairy Dust. A gold one called Gold Dust. So I'm gonna take these out of their packaging and we're going to actually swatch them. Putting them on my face. I think there are 5 highlighters, so I think I'm going to pick 5 spots on my face. I think I'm going to do like a brow highlight, because I actually didn't put on a brow highlight today with this eyeshadow look. This would be perfect brow highlight. A nose highlight, I know I need that. So we got 1, 2, brows is 3, this whole middle section is 4, my collarbone is 5. So we're going to be putting 1 powder each of those areas. So I'm going to be taking the petroleum jelly. I'm just going to be dabbing it to the high points of my face. And I'm also going to be putting it on my collarbones. I already use this method when I'm doing editorial looks and I really want my highlight to be popping or just to have a wet glossy highlight. This is a really good method to use. The brush I'm going to use is the e.l.f. concealer brush. It looks just like this. It's very dense, which I really like when packing on my highlighter. I do not like to use a fan brush. I feel like this adds more product, so I'm just going to use this for the rest of my face and my body. Finish off my face just like normal. I add some blush. Like that. So now I'm a very pink disco ball, and I'm going to be lowering my brightness so it's a lot easier for you guys to see the highlighters. These are honestly very intense, and you are very much capable of seeing each color in each highlighter, which I really like. Sometimes for colored highlighters you aren't able to tell like what color it is because it all looks just like white light on your face, but with this one, especially with the blue and the purple, you are definitely very capable of seeing the actual color in the highlights. So